morning to all. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the process skills in science, and we the four people will present on this process skills. I would like to introduce my team members. To my left, three members are sitting. First person is Mr. Govind, senior teacher from Rangareddy district, Telangana. And the next person is Mr. Keshav Rao, right lecturer of Warangal district, Telangana. And the third person is Mr. Murthy, headmaster from Rangareddy district, Telangana. And myself, Dr. Ravikant Rao, lecturer, SCRT Telangana. I am working in the Education Technology and Computer Education department. Now I request Mr. Keshav Rao to initiate the discussion about the process skills in science. Now over to Mr. Keshav Rao.
Okay, thank you, Ravikant. So today we are going to discussing about the process skills of science. So before we are initiating this discussion, I will ask some questions, my friends. Sir, Govind sir, do you know about can you swim?
Yeah, I can.
So you can swim. Oh, it is a very nice. So how it will be useful?
It is useful for all ages of the people, even for children, for adults, or for everyone. Even in some risky times, that is in floods or something else, that will be very useful for rescue also.
So in the life process, it will be much more useful.
Yeah, much more useful.
Okay, so I can ask another question. Ravi, can you cycling? You know, Ravi, can you?
Yeah, I know cycling. I like very much cycling. From my childhood, I do cycling. Really, it is a very good experience to bicycle. It is nowadays it's a very good exercise. Even doctors too suggest it is very good for heart and the health. Not only just for like children or middle age or small, it is older people. From the children to old age people, cycling is the best exercise which I feel.
Okay, so these skills, dear friends, these skills are very, very important in the life process.
Yeah.
So cycling and also swimming. So in the same way, now we are going to discussing about the process skills of science. What are the process skills of science? How it is going to be useful in the life. Although in the inventions also it is going to be, what is the impact of the life skills? Today we are going to discuss in this session. So dear friends, just we will do a small exercise. Yes. Okay, are you ready, friends?
Yes.
Yeah, we are ready.
So just I am showing some on the table we have, or we all are seeing some vegetables in this. So please observe this. First you will do the guesswork and please note it down in our notebooks. So you know very well it is what is it?
Potato.
It is a potato, sir. So what you do is, if we, for example, this activity it is known as a sink and float activity. Okay. So in that on the table in our near, it is a glass of water is there in the tumbler. So we have three different type of vegetables. One is potato, another one is tomato, another one we have the vegetable, it is onion. Yes. So you are what the first work is already the guesswork we should do. So for example, if you take the potato and drop it in the water, in the glass of water, what will happen? Whether the potato sinks or floats. Please kindly guess it and write in your notebook. Already in the tables are in you have written kindly. Okay. Yes. So second thing, dear friends, it is tomato. Okay. For example, if it drops in the water, what will it going to happen? Whether it is sinks in the water or floats in the water. Okay. So next one, third one is onion. So same thing we are going to do. So just you think of that. For example, if it drops this onion in the water, what is going to happen? Whether it is sinks in the water or floats in the water. Just guesswork first. Okay, dear friends, have you completed your guesswork?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are completed.
Okay, very nice. So next thing, for example, our guess is right or wrong. You have done some might be float, some might be sink. So if our guess might be correct, maybe wrong or right. To know what we should do.
We have to experiment.
Experiment.
Oh, no, very nice. We have to do the
I mean,
Experiment.
we have to drop that vegetable one by one in that tumbler.
Oh, nice.
Let us examine what will happen.
Okay, nice, Ravi. Very, very good idea. So, from all of us, our Govind sir is going to do this
Yes, sir.
work.
Definitely,
Okay?
definitely.
Govind sir, please take our first one by one. Take onion and
Yes.
please drop in the water. Can you drop? Slowly. Oh, it is floating.
Yeah, it is floating.
So can you do again this? Just I thought that it is going to sink. I
Okay.
am getting some doubt, Govind sir.
Definitely, I'll do once again
Because
for
it
you.
is a lot of weight is there. Just I
Yes.
thought that it is sinks.
Even my guess was also like that.
Okay, again you can do.
Once again it is.
Yeah, once again it is floating.
Again we can do the same test. Okay.
Yeah,
So it is,
definitely.
we
I
can.
think always it will be floating on.
Okay, we can testing and retesting the result.
Okay.
Okay, please drop again this same onion, please.
Okay.
Okay,
Shall
please
I
drop
it?
one more time. We can see that. Oh,
So
very
for
nice.
multiple times also it is floating.
Actually,
The
what
result
I,
is same. Yes.
what I thought that it is a lot of weight is there. Some weight is there.
Yes,
I
even
thought
in my
that
table also I wrote same thing.
Even I too wrote that it will definitely sink
sinks.
because it is around maybe 50 grams weight.
Yeah, maybe.
I thought
Right.
that a 50 grams weight of that stone will sink. I thought that this is like a
Yes.
solid one, it will also sink.
Sir, what you thought that Lakshmanamurthy sir?
I'm also same feeling, sir. Mm,
You
I
thought
guess
that
I thought that it will sink in the water.
sink only, but how you guessed that it is sinks?
It is a it has some weight.
Right.
So all weight items will sink into the water.
Okay. Very nice. Even though it is small weight,
Yes,
our guess is okay. It is different.
Yes,
So
that is
second one we can take this tomato.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Definitely, definitely.
Please, can you drop this in the water?
Oh, it's floating.
It is
It is
floating.
also
It
It's
is
also floating.
It is also floating.
It is also floating.
In the initial period, what I thought, same that, sir.
Yes.
Ravi, sir. Initially, what I thought that it is also some weight is there. Again,
Yes.
can we do again?
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
why don't
Myself,
you do?
I will do.
You
Yes.
do.
Yeah, you
Govind sir is dropped in this water. So it
Okay.
is floating. So I will drop it. What will
Yes.
happen, we'll see.
same result, sir.
For everyone it is giving the same.
Even though I dropped, it is
Yes.
it is floating.
No, we'll ask Govind sir once again to drop in the water.
Okay, definitely.
We will
Third time.
repeat the testing. We are testing
Yeah.
the which is repeating.
Anyhow, we are doing multiple tests.
Okay.
So let us do once again.
Oh, what a wonderful result is coming.
Yes.
Even
It's
though
for-
our guess might be wrong, but
Yes.
the result is different.
Sir, that potato will float or sink.
Let us, okay.
We have to examine.
Okay. Next.
Keshav, here I thought that, according to my guess, I thought comparing to onion, this is little bit lighter. It will
Yes.
float.
Yes.
So my guess is now matching.
Your guess.
Yes.
Sir, Lakshman sir, what your guess about the tomato?
Actually, it is a weight some less than onion. So I thought that it will float.
Your guess is right.
Yes.
Okay. What is
Yeah,
your
yeah.
guess?
Even I guess same thing. Tomato is something lighter than this onion, so it will float. So
Do
even
you
my,
have any previous experience?
no,
in
I
this?
don't have previous
Do you
experience
have
because
any cut down in our kitchen?
no.
No.
Even we will cut, but we don't used to this experiment, and we didn't gone through this experiment.
Okay, sir. In this, okay, we are taking another third one.
Yes.
It is potato. Okay, can you
Yes.
drop this?
Yeah,
Sir,
definitely.
Keshav sir,
definitely.
shall I tell?
Yes.
It will definitely sink.
How?
It will definitely sink.
Okay. So
Let me check my guess.
our okay, very nice. Oh, Ravikant,
Yeah,
you are right.
it is
very
sinking.
right.
Yes, it is.
Your guess is right.
Yeah,
Oh,
guess
thank
it.
you.
Govind sir, what you
I'm
have?
very happy.
What you have guessed?
Yeah, I wrote the same thing.
Which one? Sinks or floats?
Yes, it sinks.
Sinks.
Yes, sir. I'm also same.
Lakshman sir.
It will sink.
Oh,
But Keshav, what you thought before dropping it?
Yes.
Myself, myself also I thought that which might be sinking.
Yes.
So in the potato aspect, it is our guess is right.
Yes.
Guess is correct. But in the onion aspect, our guess is different.
Yes.
So we guessed it which is going to be sink,
Yes.
but
It is floated.
which one is floated. So in the tomato aspect also you three already guessed correctly.
Yes.
What I thought that which is also some weight is there.
Okay.
So that way is which is going to.
Yes.
So by doing this experiment, so I am thinking that I am sharing my view.
Okay.
So just I thought that which one are some weight is there.
Okay.
So that is that they are going to sink. But of course, in that aspect, potato is right.
Yes.
But in the different vegetables, which is going to be some guess is right, some guess is wrong.
Yes.
So in the what I thinking that my is in the sum up what I think that from this I am in my view what I am learning is that even though some are weight, they are going to float.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Even though
Yes.
just my guess is which is going to float, sir.
Yes.
So I am learning even though some things are weight, they are going to float in the water. They will
Yes.
float in the water.
Yes.
Kishore, can I give one example?
Okay.
Even you take a small stone, maybe of 2 grams, 3 grams, definitely it will sink.
It will sink,
So
yes.
I think for floating, the weight is not the matter. There is a behind principle which we have learned learned earlier, is the density.
Okay,
It depends upon the density.
Okay, that is the
Other
physics.
aspects also.
Okay, sir. Please,
Yeah.
we can discuss that aspects in another class.
Okay.
So we are going to learn from this activity. We are going to learning the process skills of science.
Okay.
So
Okay.
So actually, just our in this activity, through this activity, we are learning the things that is even though some are weight, they are
Yes.
going to float. For example, in some aspects, some are weight,
sinking.
as our guess, which is sink and
Yes.
sank. Okay, so this is the we have learned from this. So how we think one aspect. So how we learnt this? What we have done this? Even though, for example, that is even though some are weight, some even though some containing it, they are float. That is
Yes.
the aspect.
Yes.
So this how we learnt.
Before doing this experiment, we
What
guessed something.
Sir, what we have done, just we think this is known as the product of science.
Yes.
Actually, what we have learned in the science, which is known as the product of science.
Okay.
For example, even though there some are weight, as our guess, which should sink, but floating. So that is the product of science. So how we learnt this means, what we had done to learn this? Can you tell what we had done, sir? Lakshman, sir.
By doing something, we can learn the process of science.
Okay, what we had done? Some
Yeah,
just for example.
actually we guessed something initially, but after some questions and everything, we did some process also.
Okay.
After that process and experiment, we came to some conclusion.
Okay, what you are telling that process.
Yes.
So what? Just we recollect the what we had done.
Can I add something?
Okay,
Venkateshwar?
Ravi, you can
See
add.
here, while doing this experiment, so before doing the experiment, we had some guessing like imagination.
Okay.
One will float, other will sink,
Oh,
kind of
very
thing.
nice. Okay.
That means in the process of truth finding,
Truth-finding.
first we will guess,
Okay.
isn't it? And we will have one statement in mind, and we'll have a doubt whether it will sink it or float. Next thing is after experimenting, and we are comparing with our guess and what is actually
To
or
confirm
factually
that,
happened.
to confirm that,
we are we are
yes,
confirming.
to confirm that
Confirming.
imagination. We do by practical or experimentation. We confirm that one.
No, not only confirm it, to test our imagination,
yes,
to test our imagination. Because in the process of science, science will not rely only on imagination. If it is based on imagination, we won't say that science. Definitely it has to be tested, it has to be established. Is it correct, Keshav?
Okay, Ravi, but what you have said is exactly right, what your friends are telling also.
Yes.
So through process, the product came. We had done something. So what is our Ravikant sir is telling, we guessed and we tested our guesses right or wrong. So this process is going on.
Yes.
So the related, which is in the science, which is called as a process. Process plus product is also known as science. One of the definition we know very well. Process and product is known as science, process plus product. So the skills of process, the skills are in the process, which is known as the process skills of science. For example, what you said, first we guessed.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Before guessing, questioned ourselves whether it sinks or floats. Okay, sir? So this is questioning. Questioning leads to guessing,
Guessing.
which is sinks and floats. So which is known as hypothesizing. Questioning leads to hypothesizing. So this is another process skills of science. Questioning before of questioning in the between doing the experiment or thing, just we observed that whether it is sinks or floats, just we that.
Yes.
So this is known as observation. Not only, so this is observation is known as fundamental process skills of science. So to test our hypothesis, why we have done this experiment, what we tell is we dropped in this in this bottle. We had done whether hypotheses are right or wrong.
Wrong, yes.
To test the hypothesis, we are doing the experiment.
Yes.
So this is the experimenting is another process skill of the science.
Okay.
So again we had done, sir, for the to test the result, we have doubt about, one time it is, which second time we will do, what will happen? Again it is floating, which is known as inferring, which is called as inference.
Yeah, yeah.
So all these are known as process skills of science. So I'm starting what we are questioning, hypothesizing, experimenting, and also observation, skill of observation. So all these are known as the process skills of science. Really it is very, very important. While actually one of the most important objectives of the teaching of science is the developing the process skills of the science in the children. It is a very, very important.
Yes.
So I am going to discussing with you, sir. As our Govind sir and Ravikant sir said, the cycling and bicycle also lot of helpful in the day life also.
Yes.
So these process skills are most helpful also in the day life, in the scientific process also, in the development of science, scientific knowledge. So scientists use a method which is known as Ravi scientific method.
Yeah, yeah.
In the scientific method, these skills are imbibed. If you take any invention, for example, if you take the invention of smallpox vaccine invention, if you take the invention of the vaccine, another antibiotic penicillin invention, anywhere, most of these skills are involved. Actually, the method in the scientific method, indirectly these skills are imbibed in the scientific approach also. So in the knowledge of the development of science, these process skills are very, very important. So in the NCF 2005, so in our Telangana government and also NCF means National Curriculum Framework, which was prepared by our NCRT, which is a very, very, very important constructivism they have taken. So the development of process skill while teaching science, our teachers must achieve the objectives of the process skills and the science. Can you give any example? Even, for example, only it is useful for scientists, or also in the day life also it will be useful?
Can I give one example?
Okay.
Which I have come across once. Here, once I was standing in the one Hyderabad bus station. So there was some suspecting article was there. There was a tiffin box was there. So from the beginning, the police were warning, if you find any suspecting things, please be alert and see that people should not go there. So there some smoke was also coming from that box. So the person there, one 10th class boy, he alerted everybody, come on, run away, something is dangerous going on, you please run away. So within minutes, the total area was evacuated and there was a bomb blast. So here, though this example is there, here what I will say is, there was some, he has questioned himself, that boy, there is some suspecting thing. He has tried to correlate what he has learned, what he has heard from the police repeatedly through advertisement. Then what it is, he alerted everybody. So here, I think the learned process skill has helped that boy, not only the boy, it has saved many lives. And this is, I think, a live example which we have noticed. So what I think is, let us not go blindly. In a science, when you guess, when you suspect, so let us be alert. I think this may not be the exact example, but this is the application of the process skills. Do you agree with me, Keshav?
Yes, Ravi, what you are telling is a very one of the finest example. So process skills helps in the daily life also. What you said, what you are telling, the example is the one of the best example, what I say. So the child is first observation. First observed the tiffin box. Oh, no one is there, tiffin box is there. So fundamental process skills is the science is the observation. So then the smoke is coming. He also observed the smoke. Oh, then he imagined. The reasoning also came. So he suspected, he hypothesized. So that might be a bomb, might be there in the tiffin. So then he alerted everybody. He just simply is not gone. He alerted everybody in the bus stop, and what you said, everyone, all of them evacuated. So within a short few minutes, the bomb blasted.
Yes.
So really the boy, little boy is a 10th class boy is a very, very good. So it is confirming the scientific process. So the science process skills in the useful in the daily life very well. So I am also, dear friends, I can give you another example also. So actually we were at in Vemlavada, Karimnagar district. We are both my wife and myself also teachers. So our son is a 6 months old boy. Just my wife came back from the school and at 1 o'clock. So she is with his child. So only 2 rooms are there. The rice bags are in the bedroom. So she has seen something is suspected. Some small tail is inside the bag, some side of the bag. Okay. She suspected that it might be a lizard. Initially she suspected. She has gone there and also she watched the tail is some long tail is there. Oh, which might be a snake. So she called someone and alerted. So it is a snake, poisonous snake. So Govind sir and Lakshamurthy sir, Raikon sir, these are it will be much more useful in the day life also. So dear friends, these are the process skills of science. So we must teach, and I mean the objectives of teaching of one of the important is we must develop like a language skills, LS or W, or in mathematics also. While teaching, the objectives of time, one of the objectives is teaching process skills of science, which helps in the developing scientific attitude, even in the also which helps in the development of the learning scientific method also. They can learn the technique. So I am very, very thankful, Ravi. Our NCERT,
finally, can I conclude?
NCERT is given. Okay, you can give. I will hand over to you. It is one of the finest.
Before concluding, sir, this is finally, we have learned about the process skills, which has certain stages, like from observation to hypothesizing and testing, retesting. So these are already our colleagues have explained. So I thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.